You searched for how to buy shares of Paysafe Limited, a payments technology firm offering digital wallets and merchant services, and this video shows that process. Paysafe trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PSFE, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy PSFE, you need a broker, so I'll use eToro as an example, and after registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar. Enter the ticker PSFE and select the listing that matches Paysafe Limited on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart, and confirm the page shows Paysafe Limited with the PSFE ticker before proceeding. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio. And for convenience, the example eToro link is included in the description below.